You see this trade you are seeing here, this particular trade, I will come back to it in the next few hours and we'll see what the result is going to be. On a norm, this kind of trade will start giving you fear like, it's gonna against me, it's gonna against me. But no, this is what we wanted. In fact, I want it to trigger the last limit I set here before we now ride this to the what? All the way to the top. And then I will give the full analysis on this trade. But until then, let's wait for a few hours and see what's going to happen. Alright, the trade I told us about, and you see, so if you are someone that used to enter a trade with a lot of fear, your fear will have made you to close this trade. And see what happened. See what happened. The trade actually shoot up. The same thing happened on GBP USD. You see what happened on GBP USD. Everything shoots up. This is what we do. This selfless. Stop getting scared of trades. Why are you always getting scared of trade? I showed up this trade when I entered initially, and this is the outcome of the trade. I've taken a lot of profits from this trade, and this is where we are now. 400 and what pips? Where is my crush here? We have moved 412 pips. 412 pips on this particular trade, on this one trade. You see, and it happened. It triggered all the positions I wanted it to trigger, and here we are, and we are still counting. What did I see before I took this trade? Why did I take this trade? You are welcome to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome. Before we continue, let us pay homage to our new subscribers. Alright. And tell me, who is the selfless strategic trader without God, using you people, my subscribers, to what? To stay tuned to my channel. That is why I have come to appreciate you, and I have come to welcome our new subscribers. Random TV, you are welcome. You are the #1 on the list right here. DJ Muanad, Anthony Ogbe, Forex and Binary Trading, Sebastian Navas, sorry if I pronounce your name anyhow, Katenda Herbert, Anthony Nikaba, J. McKay, Nda, J. Rodrigo Aruni. I'm going to scroll to the next page, and what I want to say is that I really appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel. And if you are watching this video, you can reach out to their channels, check what they are doing, check what they offer. There can be something beneficial to you, something that you are going to gain from. You can visit their channel. And if you're also new to this channel, let me know in the comment section. Let me know you are new to this channel, and let us celebrate you. Let us make a shout out to you. Also, more shout outs to, I don't know how to read Arabic writings. I'm sorry about that, but I welcome you, my friend. And Negin Judge, I welcome you. Tino Tender Camel, I welcome you. I'm very sorry if I've pronounced your name anyhow. So let's go into the business of the day. How did we catch 415 pips on one trade? That is awesome, right? Let's go into the business. So did you remember the trades I just showed you right now? Did you remember the trades I just showed you right now? Yes, it's the same trade that produced 415 pips you are seeing right here. What are the things that I saw before I took the trade? Why did I take the trade? I think there should be something that will make me to get scared, especially when the trade was around this place and the market was coming. It wanted to take me out of the trade, but I said no, I am the selfless strategic trader, so I know the strategy to apply in order to make this trade a profitable one for me. So what did I do? I had to think, and I remember one of our pattern that says once the structure is broken here, it's going to come back to retest the previous low before it will now shoot up. But most importantly, if you want to catch big pips, just the way I always tell us, you must make sure you analyze from higher time frame. If you don't know how to analyze from daily time frame, weekly time frame, the pips you are going to be catching is just all those pips, all those small pips. 15 pips, 20 pips, 30. No. We cannot be doing and we cannot be trading and we want to be trading like 15 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips. No. We don't do that. We don't stress ourselves. We look for a perfect clean trade. We enter into it, we go to sleep and we wake up to see 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips, 400 pips, 500, 600, 1000 pips. I've shown you my trade where I got 30,000 plus pips. It is there on my channel, it is there on my YouTube channel. So this is what we do. You want to trade, you want to maximize or you want to increase small trading account. You can't increase small trading account by catching small pips. No. It's not done like that. Target big pips. I'm going to be showing us later, maybe my next video, I'm going to showing us how to make use of some proprietary farm, and the one I personally use in order to take trades. You take only one trade, you meet up their target, and phew, that's all you need. Okay, let's come back into the business. What did I see before I took this trade? Which time frame did I use? We can see that on daily time frame. Yes, I analyzed this trade on daily time frame. What did I see? Just as I always told us, let us start from this area. This is market structure here. You see, this is a mini high, low, higher low, new high. Once a new high is taken, it will come back to retest the previous to just the pattern is always the same. This high was taken out, then we are on what? A very clean and clear uptrend. This high was taken out. This is a daily time frame. This high was taken out, came back to retest, and it's what gave us a new high to make it higher than this previous high. It also what came back to retest here and gave us a high, but this high was not bigger than the previous high. All right, what am I talking about? So this one came all the way down to come and retest the previous high. Now let me tell us something. Let me show us something here. Something happened here that I want us to take note of. It's just the pattern. Look at, we have what? Higher high. This is like what? Like a higher low. We have new high, came back all the way, cleared all this liquidity. See, our premium course in my mentorship class. Yeah, in my mentorship class, I used to tell them, if you want to trade anything, the first thing you have to target is the area of liquidity. Area of what? Liquidity. If you know where liquidities lie, because that is the essence of trading forex or stock or indices, volatilities, anything you are trading, anything tradable that you are trading. The reason why we are trading is what? Is because of liquidity. Liquidity is simply the money you use to trade. Is what? It is the money you use to trade. Buyers will take money into the market, sellers will take money into the market, buyers will buy from sellers, sellers will sell to what? We sell to buyers. It is as simple as that. Now, if you want to buy, we have buy and sell on what? On forex trading. If you want to on trading, if you want to buy, you have to make sure that you target area of liquidities where sellers are lying. Then you what? You buy from them. You buy from them. When you are buying from them, their own stop loss is getting hit already. So that you just enjoy yourself. That is what we target. Look at this area. This is liquidity. See liquidity. See liquidity. So we know that liquidity, they will always target liquidities in order to move before they move to the original direction. But the problem we are all having, or many people, well, not me because I already have the strategy, but not me. So the problem many people are having is because they can't target, they don't know how to discover this area of what? Of liquidity. That is the main problem. But if you are able to discover the area of liquidity, it's going to be very easier for you to take any trade that you want to take. Liquidity is cleared here. Liquidity is cleared here. They cleared all the liquidities of the buyers that are in this that were in this market. Then came all the way to retest after clearing their liquidity with these two big candles. People that wanted to buy and their stop loss was put here. It cleared everything, cleared all stop loss, came back to retest to retest this area, then pew, and this could have been the first take profit. We still saw liquidities here. We know they are still going to come here, just the way they will still come here in the future to clear all these liquidities here. They will still come here to clear all these liquidities here. So we now target the area. We can see liquidities. Look at this one candle here. This one candle here cleared all the liquidities here. People that wanted to buy or that have been buying and their stop loss was put here. They cleared with only one candle. That's why this candle came lower than the previous candles here, because they cleared all the liquidity. The same thing here, the same thing here. So here we knew they are still going to come all the way to clear liquidity. And apart from that, following the normal market structure, we know that this is a high, a low, and the high was taken out with this big movement, which means they are meant to come back and retest this low, take out liquidities before they will now continue to buy. Is someone getting what I'm explaining right here? If you are getting me, praise the Lord. Hallelujah. All right, let's continue. In fact, this area, I think I should be looking for a sell. I should start looking for a sell in this area. Why am I looking for a sell? Let it happen. When it happens, when I enter the trade, or before I enter the trade, I'm going to give us the analysis on the sell trade. But because I'm not here to explain about the sell, I'm here to explain about this buy I am now. That is why I'm going to be showing you something about what I bought from the sellers. All right, so this is daily time frame. I analyzed from daily time frame. I knew quite well that, in fact, this analysis, I remember that I also checked weekly time frame for this. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember, because I remembered weekly also gave me high, low, clear this high to give me higher high, came back to retest the low. Look at this big candle to clear liquidities here. After that, ranged a little and gave us a new high. Then this high, I remember that I sold this high to this level, and I also was see one candlestick. I used to tell my mentees that if you analyze from daily time frame or weekly time frame, you don't need big candles. See, this big candle produce 400 plus pips. One big candle. All you need is one big candle on weekly time frame. One big candle. One candle on weekly time frame, or two candles on daily time frame, and you are good for the day, and you've hit your target. That is all what we need. We just want to check the market every day. If you want to be a day trader, be a day trader to analyze from daily time frame or from weekly time frame. If you are able to do that, it's going to be very easy for you. It's going to be easy for you to hit your target for the day. Let me continue. All right, so it's just one big candle from weekly time frame. See, cleared this high, came back to retest this low, then gave us a new high. That is what we trade. And I just went to 1 hour to look for my entry. So because I've already drawn my zone, yes, because I've already drawn my zone right from weekly time frame. Yeah, I analyze from weekly time frame. Just remember that. So because I've drawn my zone right from weekly time frame down to daily time frame and down to 1 So I need that anything that happened within my zone, once it is my zone, it is a dangerous zone for the market. They should not toy with me. Once they toy with me, I'm going to hit the market very hard. That is why I hit the market very hard. Should I show you one particular trade that I'm on right now? I will make that on a particular or another video. But I hope you understood what I just explained. Analyze from weekly time frame. Check your higher highs, higher lows. Once a high is broken, just know that it's going to retest. On the retest of the low that produced that new high, you enter your trade. Once you enter your trade, if you analyze from weekly time frame, go to 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame to look for the structure to be broken. Then go to 15 minutes to look for the structure to be broken. If you analyze from daily time frame, go to 1 hour for the structure to be broken and go to 5 minutes for more entry or for more confirmation. I cannot be teaching us everything like that, because some information are just reserved from my premium course or from my mentees. But all the time, I'm going to be giving us everything that we need to know. Even with this, if we are able to understand and watch my previous videos, you know that I don't hide much. I don't hide many things. Like, I don't hide many things. I reveal to us how to trade this market. Whether you subscribe to mentorship or not, you should be able to trade this market. Mentorship is just optional. It's just maybe for you to have a kind of free access to me and all that. But apart from that, this is just a very clean avenue for you. This is a very clean analysis for you to be able to enter your trade and trade very well. That is all you need. Catch 400 pips, 500 pips, 600 pips, 800 pips, 900 pips. That is what we do. You can go to my playlist and check other videos that are there for you. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Like and give your comment on my YouTube videos. This is your guide, the selfless strategic trader. May the Lord bless you, give you wisdom, understanding, and provide for you to be a profitable trader in the market. Cash out, guys. I love you. Yeah.